Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, December 10, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Store 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 10, 2023, Sunday. STL Store 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Sunday, December 10, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for December 10, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.